So we're going to start out with finding the percent increase first. Okay? All right. So let's say the problem says find, right, the percent increase, okay, from decimal 2.20 to 2.75. Find the percent increase. Well, we're dealing with a formula here, so let me give it to you. The formula for percent increase, I'm going to use an arrow for increase, equals your final minus your original divided by the original times 100. That'll give us the percent, okay? So we're going to use that formula, all right? Final minus original times 100. But I'm going to abbreviate it for the sake of space. So I'm just going to write final minus original divided by original times 100. Same thing, but I just wanted you to know what that meant. So what is our final? Well, it's an increase, right? And it's increasing from our final number is 2.75, right? So let's go ahead and plug it in. Okay, I'm going to say right here, this is our final right there. And this right here is our original. So we have 2.75 minus 2.20 divided by the original, which is 2.2. I'm telling you, be careful. It is so easy. It's really just subtraction and division and multiplication, but you can mix up these numbers if you're not careful. Times 100. Okay? So what do we do next? Well, we're going to take care of what's in the numerator first. So 2.75 minus 2.2 is going to give us 0.55 over 2.2 times 100. Now what matters is how you do your calculation. Okay? All right. Now we're going to perform the division. 0.55 divided by 2.2 rather, that's going to give us 0.25. I'm going to put times 100. In this case, we have division and then multiplication. When you have those two operations next to each other, you perform the operation that comes first. That's PEMDAS, okay? And when you multiply that, you're going to get 25%. Therefore, 3 dots. What was the percent increase? I'm going to say the percent increase, right, equals 25%. Practice this. Yes, watch it, take notes, but practice it and think through it. Talk it through so that you're not just writing numbers down, but you know what you're doing and you know why you're doing it. All right, I need to do one more because I can't let you go with only knowing how to find the percent increase. I need to do one more for the percent decrease. And then we're done. Okay. So this is now for percent decrease. Let's see here. Now, I am going to say, let's find the percent decrease, right, from 50. If it's from 50, it has to go to a lower number, to 35. Okay? So we know our formula, right? So in this case, I'm going to give you a formula for the percent decrease. Well, let me use a different color for that. For percent decrease, that is equal to original minus final divided by original. Notice the original is a larger number, 50. When we were dealing with percent increase, the final was a larger number. So if you want to make sure you don't get them confused, always start off with the larger number. Divided by the original is always in the denominator. Now I'm showing you how to think about how to memorize it, not get them confused. All right, so 50, right? That is our original. And 35, that's our final. Okay? So let's go ahead and follow this formula. The original is 50 minus the final, which is 35, divided by the original, which is 50. We marked it over there. Okay? And remember, I'm going to put times 100. That helps us to go straight to the percent. So in this same case, I'm going to put times 100. So then our next step is to take care of what's in the numerator. 50 minus 35 is 15 over 30. Oh, excuse me, over, not 30. Must be time to wrap it up. Over 50 times 100. 15 divided by 50 is going to get you 0.30 times 100. Multiplying 0.3 or 0.30, it doesn't matter, times 100, you're going to get 30. But remember, you were finding the percent decrease in this case. So in other words, it says find the percent decrease. It was a 30% decrease. All right. Now, some people just like to write 30% and then the word decrease. Some people like to do that instead of using the arrow. Whatever works for you that builds your understanding. Okay. All right.